We have this economic empowerment project that we've developed, and it's a curriculum on 3 areas of training that survivors could benefit from. One bucket is financial literacy, another is career development, and the third one is labor law. Economic abuse is basically using financial means to exert power and control over the survivors.
Many times it's hiding financial documents so that the victim is in the dark financially, so they don't have access to the information they need to be sufficient again.
The remedies that the legal system provides, both in the civil system and in the criminal system, are really structured around physical harm. And statistics show that actually the majority of survivors say that economic abuse was something that they experienced, and it can be very detrimental to their ability to make decisions for their safety and security.
Financial abuse isn't really written into any statute. So in terms of legal advocacy, some lawyers might look at that and say, well, there's nothing I can do about that.
The legal system is maybe not for all survivors of what we call intimate partner violence or domestic violence. You have to tell your story again, you have to confront your abuser, most people don't know anything about how to go to court, and all of that can be difficult for anyone, but if you're someone who's experienced trauma, then it's re-traumatizing.
We are trying to acknowledge that the discussion of financial issues can be triggering in itself. And I think that's what the innovative thing that our project's trying to do.
How we're making it accessible is we're working with agency partners in the community to get this kind of training to as many people as possible. Other part of making this accessible is doing focus groups, and we're going to do that with our community partners as well, to really hear from survivors themselves in terms of what would be helpful to them.
I do have a lot of hope because I think we haven't had many conversations with agency partners. It does seem that there's a momentum and people really want to fill this gap. We don't want another curriculum that just doesn't address the real problems.